Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Pixel Gun 3D game. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your new account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Pixel Gun 3D game on your device and you will be taken through the basic tutorials. Once you have completed the basic tutorial, you can now choose your skin as well as enter your name. Just choose your desired character and then enter your desired nickname. Now just tap on To Battle in order to start playing. Then tap on Accept and Continue. And now you can begin your very first match right away. And now all of your progress will be saved within this online account and you have successfully created your new account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.